Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to get around in Google Webmaster Tools. First thing you want to do is make sure you have Google Analytics installed on your website and make sure that the code is in the header of your website. If it's not, you won't be able to register Webmaster Tools the easy way. Next, you want to make sure you're signed in with the same email you use with Analytics. Then go to Webmaster Tools and you should see a screen that looks like this. All you have to do is enter your domain name in the space at the bottom where it says add a site. Once you enter your address, just hit the button that says add a site. Then it will tell you to verify the site. You can see the recommended way to verify the site is by downloading an HTML file, upload it to your site, and then come back and confirm. But there's a much easier way. Just click on the tab up here that says alternate methods. The third one down says use your Google Analytics account. That's what we want to do. So I'm going to check this option because I know my analytics code is installed in the header of my website. It's all good to go. Click on verify and congratulations, it's verified. Just click on continue and that should bring you to the dashboard. The dashboard is pretty bare. It gives you some basic information, but let's go to the most interesting part of Webmaster Tools. If you go over on the left sidebar, under search traffic over here on the left, click on search queries. Now if you remember from Google Analytics, they don't show very many keywords. A lot of that information is now secure. So in Webmaster Tools, you can see much more of that information. Under search queries, this is how many queries it's showing information for. How many impressions? That means how many times did a page on my website just simply show up in the search results? And then clicks, how many times people actually clicked on one of my links in the search results. Now down below, you can see that it has the specific keywords that people used over here on the left, how many impressions, the click-through rate, which is simply the clicks divided by impressions, and then it shows you the average position in the search results. So obviously if you show up farther down in the search results, then the click-through rate is going to be much lower. You can also sort the results just by clicking on any of the headings. If you want to see the best click-through rates at the top, just click that header up here. And same thing for impressions, clicks, queries, or average position. This is a great resource to find keyword ideas or look to see what keywords you might want to spend more time on. And if you actually click on the specific keyword, it gives you even more information about your position in the search results, impressions, and click-through rate. So it's a great resource to check out what keywords or pages on your site are performing or underperforming. Now let's go back, and if you look at the top up here, you'll see this tab marked Top Pages. Click on that tab, and now it shows you the top pages on your website with the same information. And a really cool feature is that they show you the keywords people use to find that specific page. All you do is click on the arrow over here and it opens up the keywords associated with that page. So all of these keywords are keywords that people typed in at Google to find this specific page. Again, this is just great information to have because you can see exactly what people are searching for. You can compare that to the content that's on your page. You can use it to create more resources on your website. You can use it to focus more on what's working well, what's converting at the highest rate, or just to improve on things that aren't working. So it's a great resource. And also I should mention that just like analytics, you can choose the dates you want to look at. And that is up on the right. If you go back to the search queries page, just choose the dates you want to look at, and it gives you the data. Now you can also find links to your site in Webmaster Tools. Just click on the links to your site over here under search traffic. It tells you the total number of links, how many links from each source. It gives you your most linked content over here on the right. Down here it shows you how it's linked, in other words the anchor text. And you can click on the different areas to get a little more detail. And this is a good resource to make sure that Google's actually picking up all your links, because if Google doesn't know about it, then it doesn't do you any good. So you can also view your internal links on your own website. Webmaster Tools also helps you make sure your site is healthy in terms of speed, HTML issues, and malware. So if you have any messages, they'll be up here under Site Messages. If they find a problem, they'll send you an automated message or something like that. Under Search Appearance, you can check your structured data, site links, look for any HTML improvements, and if you don't know what any of that is, don't worry about it. Under Google Index, you can check to make sure Google has all your pages indexed, how many pages. You always want to make sure all of your pages are indexed. It also gives you a general rundown of your content keywords, and it gives you the option to remove URLs from the index. Under Crawl down here, you can check for the Google Robot crawl errors, stats, check something as Google Robot, blocked URLs, sitemaps, URL parameters. Malware down here is obviously where you can check to see if Google is aware of any malware on your site, which is a good thing to know. Then you have additional tools down here and lab section where they have newer features that you can explore. And that's the essence of Webmaster Tool. It's just a great resource for improving your SEO and making sure your website stays healthy from a technical standpoint. Some of the features are a little technical, but you don't have to know everything right away. Just explore the different areas, check it out, use what you can, and learn about the rest later. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.